Ipinapangako ko sa inyo mga kababaihan na gagawin ko ang lahat upang ipaglaban ang ating karapatan. Itama lang! Ipaglaban ang karapatan ng mga kababaihan! Ipaglaban! I am very proud to be the first Pashtun, first Pakistani, and the youngest person who received this award. Along with that, I am pretty certain that I am also the first recipient of the Nobel Peace Prize, who still fights for her younger brother.